Hey guys, Happy Dude here, and I've made this Nuka Cola fridge from Vaultec from the game Fallout, and I have to say it turned out very nice. The stickers were made by my good friend Gunter's Wrap Design. First we cut it roughly into shape. Then we remove the brand with a heat gun. Okay, the letters are off, but as you can see, I have a few tiny scratches. It was inevitable. These letters are very hard and this paint is very thin. And as you heat it up, you may have a chance that some paint will come loose. But that's okay because the logo from vaultec will come over this. Then we clean the area. And then we degrease where the sticker will be. Then turn the sticker over, and at the bottom we are going to make an edge. Now this sticker is from high quality, so there are air holes in the sticker, so we're not going to have bubbles. Okay, now let's cut that off. Make sure this is straight. Okay. That is as straight as it can be. Then take a pad that is soft and then carefully take off the protective paper on the back. Now it's important that you leave a little gap between the sticker and the curved edge, because if the sticker is on the curved edge, it will loosen up over time. Now it was pretty dumb of me to take the protective sticker on the back completely off, because the sticker was sticking to itself, and it was a real struggle to put this on. So learn from my mistake and take your time. Now, while you're putting on the sticker, it's important that you keep it straight and tight. Now, if you see any imperfections, don't go any further, take it back off and do it again. Don't overrush it, take your time. By the way, I'm not doing it that fast, the video is 2 times the speed. And always keep checking for mistakes or air bubbles. And then when you are very sure that there are no mistakes or ripples in the sticker, you can start pressing down very hard. Start in the middle and then go to the outside. If you see any edges that don't stick that well to the surface, cut them off with a very sharp knife, very carefully of course. And then the last step is pressing down very hard around the edges of the sticker. Alright, and now the icing on the cake, the vaultec sticker. This is the middle of the fridge. This is the middle of the sticker. Now I'm going to cut this bit off. I already used some degreaser. And now I have to make sure that the sticker is going over the little scratches. Yep. And then same story here, once the sticker is on, press down hard and go from the inside to the outside and then go over the sticker itself. And then it's time to peel it off. Now do this very carefully and make sure that the sticker doesn't come off together with the piece of paper that you're peeling off. Oh yes. Now I knew that goldish leathers would look very good on a red fridge because I've got the idea from Iron Man. I think the end result is magnificent. So guys, please let me know in the comments below what you think about it. And don't forget to like and maybe subscribe. And you all have a nice day. Bye.